Hey everybody. Okay, on this video we're going to talk about how you can customize your QR code. So by default, you can, if you use the default BD QR code, it's the URL to the member's public profile, which is fine. But I've seen some people ask about how they can customize this, make it into whatever else they want to do. Like for example, a V card. And the way that you would do that is I'm going to show you. So right now we're in the dashboard of the members. I just want to show you the information here. My name, my email, phone number, and other stuff there. Website here. Okay. So you can see all that information. And let's go to the dashboard. So because we're in the member dashboard, there's a specific widget. Just going to type dashboard that we're going to look for. This specific one. Okay. Member dashboard. Let's customize that one. And we're gonna go to all the way down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way at the bottom. And then we scroll up and we're just looking for a line that talks about api.qrserver.com. Okay, so right now, this while doing this video, that line is 535, 535. So we're only going to grab this. Okay, just the image and all that. And we're going to replace it with the code that I'm about to put here. You can pause the video and you can copy whatever specifics you want from the code that I'm about to paste here. I did it in a way that you don't have to suffer from having additional space or not having a space where you actually needed it. That would break the whole process of creating the QR code. So I'm just removing this part, okay? This image up to actually the whole thing here, like this. So it should look like that. You have the class there, and then right here we're gonna paste this baby code. Let me put it here. Voila! You're like, holy mother, that's a lot of code. Yeah, don't worry about it because we're gonna go into detail about it. Okay, so this is only replacing that image section that I just deleted. Again, here's the original one. I'm just highlighting the image and then the src, which is source, just that part, and that's it. And when I delete this, it leaves me with a class down here, and that's all. And then right here, I paste all that there. Okay? And then you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing right now, this part, but I'm picky. Okay, so what does this whole thing have here? Okay, it has the QR specific parameters for a V card. Okay, like a business card or something. And it I'm addressing actually multiple issues that you could have because I've seen this in WordPress and in Joomla, well now on Directories, where people by mistake they created an additional space or something and then basically it broke the whole thing. On when like the QR shows, the QR code shows, but when you hover your phone on top of it, it doesn't work. So with this specific code, you don't have to worry about that. Okay. So here we start with the basically telling the QR server about what we want to do. So we begin with a via car. Well, I got version 2 here, which is the lowest one that you can test this in. I mean, with that isn't much information, but I'm putting version 4, which is it's compatible with a lot of devices. If you have a lot of clients that have really old devices, like really old, you can put here 3 or 2. Okay, so here's version 4. So what are all these if statements? So basically, why would you want to include information in the VR code, I mean in the QR code, if that information has not been put by the member? So that's what all these if statements are doing. So If they have a first name, then okay, sure, it shows the first name and the last name in the case that they have a last name. If they have a phone number, it shows the phone number, an email, their company, their position in the company, their website. Okay, I think that this is more than enough information there. So we save this. Okay, I'm gonna pause it here so you can see the whole structure. Okay, pause the video if you want to, copy exactly what you need, and that's it. Let's save that. Because I'm editing a new widget, normally, you know, tricks of the trade kind of thing. I'm doing a new widget, I go here and refresh live website, just actually refresh cache of the site. And then I'm just gonna go here and refresh this page, and that QR code is about to change. See? It's about to change. You can set that size if you wanted to, but if I'm gonna pause it here, and if you hover, obviously with a full screen here, if you hover over the QR code, you're gonna see my name, my everything. Okay, it should work. I'm gonna do it on my end here, on my Android Samsung phone. Beautiful. There we go. Got it. Should have given you my phone number, my name, company, position, my email, the website, you know, my mother's middle name, etc., like a whole bunch of information. And again, here's the code. Let me go here. Let me scroll all the way down. And you can cherry pick which fields you actually want to show in your site. You start with this one, you end with that one, and you're done. And then you cherry pick which ones you want to have. But at least this gives you an idea of what's possible with a QR code on BD. And yeah, you are able to customize it however you want. And with that said, think positive as always, and see you soon.